Hello and good day, grade 3 and grade 4 students. So how are you today? So I hope you're doing fine, great, and good. So today we will continue our lesson about antonyms. Okay, so this is our English summer class, okay, lesson. So last time, okay, I told you that what is the meaning of the antonyms. Okay, so we have here, and what are the vocabulary and feature of the antonyms. So we have here. Okay, so open, close. Okay, tall, short. Okay, so alive, dead. Strong, weak. Fast, slow. Clean, dirty. Okay, so next, old, young. Good, bad. On, off. And hot, cold. In, out. And day, night. Okay, so these are the vocabulary and feature that we had learned last time. Okay, so this is the we had learned last time, and right now we will move to your reading the vocabulary. Okay, so when we say reading, okay, so showing the presentation without a picture. Okay, so we can identify. Okay, so maybe your on how you look the picture is easy for you, okay, to say that one because it has a picture, but when you start to read a words, you don't know it. Okay, so we must to check it. Okay, so we must to practice. Okay, not only for check. So reading the vocabulary. So when we say reading the vocabulary, so that is the time you read the words. Okay, so number one, we have open. Okay, so open, again, this is opposite of or antonyms of close. Okay, next we have tall. Okay, so tall. Okay, so that is the opposite of the short. Okay, that is the tall or the antonyms. And alive. Okay, so that is the antonyms of dead. Okay, number four, we have strong. Okay, so that is the antonyms of the weak. And next, number five, we have fast. That is the antonyms of slow. And number six, we have clean. That is the antonyms of dirty. Number seven, we have close, which is the antonyms of the open. Number eight, we have short, which is the antonyms of the tall. Number nine, we have dead, okay, which is the antonyms of what? Of alive. Okay, so when dead we have the alive. Okay, next, number 10, we have the weak. Okay, weak. So the weak is the antonyms of strong. And number 11, we have the slow. Okay, which is the antonyms of fast. And number 12, we have dirty, which is the antonyms of clean. Okay, so this is our first slide, okay, for our reading the vocabulary. And next we have the number 13, okay, to 26. Okay, so number 13, old, which is the antonyms of the young. Okay, so number 14, we have the clean. Okay, so this one here is, okay, so we mentioned in our first vocabulary. So here, clean, the opposite or the antonyms is dirty. Okay, so we read this one here, clean. Okay, next, number 15, good. Okay, which is the antonyms is bad. Okay, number 16, we have on. Okay, the antonyms is off. Okay, of on. And then 17, we have hot. Okay, hot. So the antonyms is cold. Okay, so when right now the weather is hot. Okay, but if raining, the weather is cold too. Okay, next, number 18, we have the in. Okay, in. So the antonyms is out. Okay, number 19, we have the day, which is the antonyms is night. Okay, so you encounter this one every day. Okay, the day and the hot. Okay, so next, number 20, we have young. Okay, young, the antonyms is old. Number 21, dirty. Okay, so the dirty, the antonyms is clean. Okay, don't forget. Number 22, we have bad. The antonyms is good. Number 23, we have off. The antonyms is on. Number 24, we have hot. Okay, the antonyms is cold. Okay, okay, so the cold here, okay, the antonyms is hot. Okay, don't forget. And the hot, the antonyms is cold. And next, 25, we have out. The antonyms is in. Okay, so 25 out. Okay, don't forget. And next, the last one, we have the night. Okay, so the night, the antonyms is they. Okay, so they, you wake up, you go to school, you're playing, you spend time with your friends and families, while the night you are resting or sleeping. Okay, don't forget that one. Okay, so this is our reading of the vocabulary class. Okay, so right now let's move into sentence using or sentences using the antonyms. Okay, sentences using the antonyms. So commonly, the antonyms class is an adjectives. Okay, they are more on adjectives. Okay, so they are not more on verbs or adverbs. Okay, so they are more on antonyms. Okay, so it's describing some people. Okay, or describing the noun. Okay, or pronoun in a sentence. Okay, next, the light is on. Okay, so here the light is on, the light is off. Okay, so this is the our sentence. Okay, for this one. Okay, so if you remember, this is part of our vocabulary and picture. So here, if you see the light is on, okay, so based on the picture, I see the light. Okay, so I can say the light is on, in here the light is off. So when we change this one class into a subject, so when you're making sentence, you can say a short sentence. Okay, so the light or light, so the is the article. So next time I'm going to teach you the article the. Okay, so the is an article and the light here is what? Is a subject, okay, which is on. Okay, so here, okay, so we're talking about the thing, so we can use it. Okay, when we change this one into subject, so it is on. Okay, it is on, so it means the light is on. It is off, so it means the light is off. Okay, so we change the light here into a subject. So the light is a noun. Okay, noun. Okay, don't forget, this is the noun. Why? This is name of the things. Okay, so noun, name of the things, place, person, or animals, or an ideas. Okay, so don't forget. So we change this one, the light, into a subject. Okay, subject pronoun. So it is off. Here the light is off. Here the light is on. We can change into it is on. So it means the it here, it talks about the things. Okay, don't forget, it talks about the things because the it can use into animals, things, sports. Okay, so you can change into it, not in the boy, not on the girl. Okay, so the girl we have the she, and the boy we have the he. Okay, don't forget. Okay, next we have he is big. Okay, he is small. So shall we say this is a boy? Okay, so we can say he is big. Okay, so we can say Kaiwit, or you can say yes, Kaiwit is big. Okay, not is small. Okay, so we can say like that. So we can say here, we can change the he into name. Okay, so Peter is big. Okay, so you compose a sentence which is Peter is big and Ricky is small. Okay, so don't forget class, the big and small, this is adjective, so it's describing the noun. That Ricky is a big, or the person. Okay, big, and Peter is a big and Ricky is a small. So we know, okay, that is Ricky, the small guy. Okay, that is Peter, the big guy. Okay, so you can determine that one. You can change this one. Pau Pau is big, not a small. Okay, so we can identify. So teacher Habi can identify, this is Pau Pau because he is big. And this is not because he is small. Okay, like that. Okay, so next, she is tall, she is short. Okay, so here, we're talking about the girl. Okay, so again, so the antonyms describe that this girl here is tall, and here, the girl here is short. Okay, so we can say Anna is tall. Okay, so I can say Natalie is tall. Okay, so I can change that one. In Pratompor, you have Natalie. I can say Preo or Araya is short. Okay, so Preo or Araya is short. Okay, so we can say Araya is short. Okay, because we're talking about singular. Okay, person. So she, you can change into girl. Don't forget, she here, you can change into girl. So short, and okay, that is antonyms. Tall, that is antonyms, and we have the verb here. So for the boy, again, he, you can change into boy. He, you can change into boy. Why, teacher? I teach you already about subject pronoun, which is important when you're making a sentence, okay, or when you're reading. Okay, so you can encounter that one. So next, okay, I am dirty. So when we say I, it means the subject is you. Okay, so talking about yourself. Okay, I am. Okay, I am dirty. He is clean. So here, this is a boy. Okay, so here I. Okay, so we can say if this is not talking to himself and comparing himself to another person or to Pau Pau, you can say I am dirty. Okay, and he is clean. So here in the sentence down here, so you can see I am dirty, so it talks that this dirty here is the person that's talking here, or talking to himself. Okay, and Jerry is clean. So I can say I am dirty and Pau Pau is clean. Or I am dirty, so teacher Habi. Okay, I am. Okay, I am dirty and not is clean. Okay, so clean here. Okay, if you see the picture, okay, if you remember, so we use the antonyms clean and dirty here. Okay, so don't forget. So that is how you make, okay, a sentence or sentences. Okay, so next we have he is old, she is young. So here, when I compose the sentence, I make it for the girl and girl, boy and boy. Okay, it. Okay, for the things or animals here, it, it. Okay, so if you see, so right now we try to exchange. We can use that one for exchange. Okay, so we can say we're talking about the boy and we're talking to the girl. Okay, true. Okay, so I can say here, he is old because this is a boy, so I need to use he. He is old and she is young. Okay, so you can do that one. Okay, so we can say the boy is old. Okay, the boy. So right now, the he pronoun we can change into noun, which is boy. Okay, so we cannot say the because the is an article. Okay, so she is young. Okay, so when we say young, okay, the girl is young. Okay, this one is a boy, or we can say a man. The man is old. Okay, and but this one, to make it easy, the boy is old, the girl is young. Okay, why the girl I use in the boy? Because this one is she, and this one is he. So our subject pronoun that used for here is he, which is talking about the boy. Okay, when here, she, okay, we're talking about the girl. So it's easy for you to identify, okay, to understand that the he used for boy and the she used for the girl. So she is young, okay, so it talks, or this one here, the antonyms say, who is young here? The girl, of course. Who is old here? Okay, of course that is the boy, okay, from this sentence, okay. So don't forget, we can change that one. So I can say, um, um, Pau Pau is old, okay? Araya is young, okay? So, for example, okay? Pau Pau is old by Pau Pau because he is a boy. And Araya is young, okay? So, you can say and, okay? So, conjunction. You can put conjunction here when you build up a sentence. Okay? So, we can say, Pau Pau is old, Araya is young, okay? Why Araya is young? Because this one here, we're talking about the girl, okay? And here, Pau Pau, because we're talking about the boy. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, not only he and he. Okay, she and she, or it and it. Okay, so you can swap. Okay, you can exchange. And next, I am slow. Okay, that is me. Example, teacher Habi. You are fast. Okay, you are fast. Okay, so I can say, okay, both of this one is a plural now. Okay, plural subject pronoun. Okay, so I am slow. Okay, so I can say, not, I am slow. You are fast. Okay, so I am, it talks about myself. And when we say you are, so it talks about person that you're facing. It's not regularly, this one is only one, but we can say this is 5 persons, so you can say you. Okay, that first 5 person is fast. Okay, so you can say you are fast. I am slow, okay, by myself. Okay, I am slow. Okay, so talking about one, but the I and you is always plural, okay, and English grammar. Don't forget about it, okay, students. Okay, so we stop our lesson here. So this is our lesson for today. And next we will have the question and answer. So we will have some question and answer. Easy question and answer, okay? Short question and answer. Just to let you know how to use this one, the antonyms on answering a question, okay? So, class, I hope you learned something for today. And thank you so much for participating in our English summer class. Goodbye.